All right, so the first part we're going to look at find that interior angle sum, which if you guys break it out is interior is inside, angle is a corner, and sum is you add. So what that thing basically is telling me is add the corners, add the angles, and tell me what they add up to. We don't have numbers, so we cannot just grab a calculator and add them. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a formula which is n minus 2 times 180. And that's the formula that's going to tell me how much the angles add up to. Now, n is how many angles you have or how many sides you have, which is the same number. In this case, if we count the corners, I'm going to say we have 9 corners or 9 sides. So my formula, I'm just going to go 7 times 180. Remember 7 because I went n minus 2. So 7 times 180, which is 7, 12, 60. 1,260, right? All I did, I just went 7 times 180. Good? Now, that's it. That's all. For me to find out how much the angles on the inside add up to, I'm just going to go n minus 2 times 180. And once again, n is how many angles or how many sides. The same number. It's easy? Cool. Now, looking at question number 2. Now, to count sides, to be honest, what I will do if I were you, I will grab my cursor on your computer and put it where you want to stop. In this case, I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to count my finger, literally, how many sides I have. Let me put the cursor here. Because I know on your computers, you guys cannot write on the screen. So that's where I'm going to stop. If this thing decides to not have a mind of its own. Jeez. So I guess the hard part is to let the cursor not move. All right. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means there's 12 sides. I'm going to say n in this case is 12. So for me to find out how much they all add up to, I'm just going to go 10 times 180. Remember the 10 because I went n minus 2. 10 times 180, which is 1,800, and I'm done. Easy? Cool. So if we're easy with that one, let's take a look at my other examples. Now here I'm going to switch the thing a little bit. Here I'm asking find the measure of one interior angle. So I don't want to know how much all of them are. I just want to know how much is one of them. And in each regular polygon. What the word regular is added to polygon is just to tell you that all the angles are the same number. So I know we can find out how much they all add up to, because in this case, n equals 5, right? There's 5 sides. I know if we wanted to add all of them, we will go 3 times 180, right? And 3 from n minus 2. 3 times 180, which is 540. That's all of them. But because I'm asking how much is one of them, I'm going to go 540 divided by 5, because there's 5 of them. 540 divided by 5 gives me, in this case, 108. And that's it. Looking at my example number 4, we can count the sides. There's 8 of them, right? There's 8 angles as well, obviously. I can find out how much all of them add up to. I'm just going to go 6 times 180, because that's how much all of them add up to, which is 1,080. That's how much all of them are. Let me divide this by 8. And each of them should be, in this case, 135. So if I'm asking how much is one of them, first find out how much all of them are, and then divide it by how many you got. Now on this part, on your instructions, I added the part, round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. Some of your answers will be decimals. So just round it to one decimal place. So for example, I had 125.27. My answer should be 125.3, right? Because we're rounding to one decimal place. Right? So I said, if necessary, some of your answers will be decimals. Round it to one decimal place. Yeah, we're good.